Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Railroad 82 here, your railroad archaeologist. For those of you that don't know me, let me show you guys what I do. I keep their memory alive. So all these fallen flags like Seaboard, Atlantic Coastline, Santa Fe, Conrail, I keep their memories alive through my 600 plus videos of van and railroads, historic crossings and such. I also sell merchandise like this one to help me promote my channel and add to my traveling expenses so I can keep bringing you content like this. $13 plus shipping, $18 plus shipping. Guys, please enjoy the video. Leave me a comment and give me a thumbs up. It helps me in the YouTube algorithm. I look forward to reading your comments. Always a pleasure. Please enjoy. Talk to you soon. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Railroad 82 here, your railroad archaeologist, the Indiana Jones of railroads. So here we are at the 248th Street Railroad crossing, the CSX Homestead subdivision, and you can see in what dire straits it's in. You can barely notice there's rails here anymore, except for the grade crossing. I'll get to there in a minute. Check out the signals and the crossing equipment over here. Signals folded upward. W.C. Hayes mechanical bell. Let me show you guys the emergency contact info. Oh my God, the hot doggy, right? And then here you have CSX XN extension, Homestead subdivision, mile marker 61.97. Okay, lights facing up. You can see the rails need to be maintained because every time cars come through the crossing, they sound. It shouldn't happen. And here is the relay case, and bada bing bada boom, you can partially see the rails, slightly partially see the rails. You can't even see the road almost. I'm walking north right now. At this point, the tracks curved about a mile north of here, and they curved north. They used to be coming, they're coming south now. They used to be coming southwest. This area is primarily, well, no, exclusively agricultural. There's nothing else here besides agriculture. Coconut trees. And let's see what the south side of the crossing looks like. Oh, there she is, my baby, my little Tacoma. So yeah, we saw this one facing east, facing west. Check out that grade crossing. Boom, crazy. Okay, it used to be that there was a little trail to walk in there. Not anymore. And that mast is all full of mildew and fungus and yeah, guys, that is sad. So yeah, this line was built in 1926 by Seaboard Airline to bring tourism to Homestead. Then in 29 it was switched over to freight. Coincidentally, that's the year that the Great Depression happened. Oh, it's a nice little breeze there. Loving it. Up until 09, this line was used, 09ish, that was the last train around here. Then in 19, CSX filed for a discontinuance of service with the Federal Register. And welcome to 2021, this is what it looks like nowadays. This, like I said, my opinion, is gonna turn into a busway as happened with the FEC over there in US 1. Or hiking trail, or who knows? Who knows? I'd love to hear your opinion, guys. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Always a pleasure, ladies and gents. Please sub if you haven't. Take care. Love you guys. Bye-bye.